Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a very special package. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. This is the product. It is a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV manufactured by Takara Tomy and this is a 1/63 scale model. So let's unbox it. Yo! Guys, it comes with a protection cover. Let's unpack this. Wow, guys, just look at it. This toy model comes in a red color and this is officially licensed because I can see the logo of Mitsubishi here. Just look at it. Outlander PHEV EV. That means the Takara Tomy gives such a detailing. So this is the Outlander PHEV manufactured by Tomica and it's made in Vietnam. This is a 1/63 model. This toy comes with a good interior. And this is the most important thing, it comes with suspension for all 4 tires. Just like the real SUV. Wow, it's so beautiful. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. What do you think is more better, the Tomica or Hot Wheels? Tell me in the comment box. Wow, the suspension looks beautiful on the road. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.